How can I stop a pending transaction?
Hello and welcome. In today's guide, we're going to delve into the world of finance, specifically focusing on how to stop a pending transaction. This can be crucial when you have mistakenly authorized a payment, or in cases where a fraudulent transaction is detected. So, let's dive right in.
What is a pending transaction?
A pending transaction, often seen when you check your bank, credit, or debit card transactions, is a payment that has been authorized but is still awaiting the merchant's confirmation. This process can take a few days. During this time, the transaction will show up as pending in your account.
Can you stop a pending transaction?
The short answer is, it depends on your bank or card provider's policies. Most financial institutions have a short window where you might be able to stop the pending transaction before it's fully processed. However, some transactions, especially those with online merchants, can process almost immediately, leaving no room for cancellation.
How to stop a pending transaction?
Now, let's get to the meat of the matter: how to stop a pending transaction. Step 1. Contact your bank or card provider. Your first step should be to contact your bank or card provider immediately. You can often do this by calling the number on the back of your card. Explain the situation clearly and ask them to stop the transaction. Step 2. Dispute the transaction. If the transaction has already processed, or if your bank isn't able to stop it, your next step is to dispute the transaction. This typically involves filing a formal report with your bank or card provider, outlining the reasons for the dispute. Step 3. Monitor your account. After contacting your bank or filing a dispute, make sure to regularly monitor your account. This will help you ensure that the action has been taken, or if any further fraudulent activity has occurred. Stopping a pending transaction can be a tricky business, but with prompt action and clear communication with your bank, you can potentially prevent unwanted transactions. Remember, acting quickly is key. Thank you for joining us in this guide, and we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, stay safe and manage your finances wisely.